Well, while I was at the store today, my husband decided to cut down one of the hugest trees on our property all by himself. And as you can tell, it took some chiseling, it took some doing, and he had the cheapest chainsaw, but he got the job done. And it didn't take out our fence that's right here, so that was super great. And actually, where it fell was just about perfect as far as not taking out any other trees, really. So I wanted to show you guys the tree he took out. Thought it was pretty cool. Pretty proud of him.